Master Grade Strike Freedom China Red Vermillion Bird version, also known as Daban 003A unboxing. Welcome back. This just came in recently and I'm surprised that Daban released an exclusive kit as like this. Okay, let's do the unboxing. So here's what's inside. So I got a free stand. So originally this is not included. So it's a stand for a 144 high grade Gundam. And a side cutter as well. So this one's not included in the kit also. Just so happens that I bought them together. So as for the manual, so we just white cover. The inside is typically the same with the original Bandai manual. So yeah, everything is exactly the same inside. And I noticed that the decal guide here is based from the original. Normally they provide a separate sheet of paper, an instruction, and a decal guide. Since it's a slightly different variation based from the original. So here we can see the decals and exclusive decal. See, then there's the shield, white parts, so we can see some shoulder armor parts and some red parts. Next is the Dragoon parts. So this one has a different shade of red, so it's more like pink, and the other part is more of a metallic finish on it. So it really looks nice personally. Next is the gold parts. So the gold parts is based from the original. So it looks like a cheap gold, but for me it's kinda okay. Though it's not that shiny compared to the other gold parts that Bandai produces. So it's the same, the red parts, it has a metallic, some kind of flake on it. So it's a good finish for the red parts. Next is more red parts. So we can see the torso armor, the neck, and the yellow parts. Yellow parts, I'm kinda skeptical, so I really don't like the shade of yellow here. It's kinda light. And here's the beam sabers and the other gold parts. And for this one, the red part is more of like a pinkish than a red one. Next is some white parts, armor parts, and I noticed that there is some extra plastics on it. So it's typically normal for this kind of third-party kits. So there's the V-fin, there's the face vent, so looks nice. Just some little effort and you're good to go. And the last pack is more gold, so it's an inner parts, you can see, and the stand. So noticeably this one's the most glossiest part is the base stand. So as you can see, it's very glossy and really nice in my opinion. So that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.